So this is an example of the template. I just made a few changes to it. The moving things around thing is just a little finicky. I'm not sure why it's like this. I've tried to find a workaround, but it doesn't really seem like there's any workaround. So it's, you can't move the initial blocks, but if you were to make, like, say another image, or you just change it, or you add another one, you can put it where it needs to go, but it's really finicky the way you grab it. It has to be in a specific place. Then you see that blue line, you can drop it and it should move there. And then, like, for example, you could get rid of the original one, so it would be in like a different spot. And I've also added that to the learn more button. So oops, the learn more button here, sorry, I added that. You can drag it wherever you need to drag it now, but just really be careful with that like blue line, and that's where you'll be dropping it. So I hope that clears up any confusion. Yeah, so you can add a lot more repeated blocks now, and for some reason you can't move the original ones around, but you should be able to move the ones you add around, so that should be good to go. If you have any questions, just let me know.